Ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, I want you to take a moment to acknowledge the challenges that come with being a student. The late-night study sessions, the constant pressure to excel, the anxiety before exams, it's not easy. I understand that, and I want you to know that your struggles are valid. Now, what if I told you there's a study technique, a hidden gem, that a students swear by? Something so effective that it's practically a secret weapon in the academic world. It's time to unveil the viral study technique, the game changer you didn't know you needed. Picture this, a technique so powerful that it transforms your study sessions from mundane to mesmerizing. A method that not only helps you grasp complex concepts effortlessly but also makes learning enjoyable. Imagine being able to retain information better, study more efficiently, and achieve the grades you've always dreamed of. Now, let me share the secret sauce. The viral study technique revolves around not just reading, but engaging with the material. It's about turning your study sessions into an interactive experience. Instead of passive learning, immerse yourself in the content. Ask questions, create flashcards, teach the material to an imaginary audience, make it a conversation with the subject matter. The students love this technique because it's not about the quantity of time you spend studying. It's about the quality of your study sessions. It's about understanding the material on a deeper level, connecting the dots, and making the knowledge your own. This technique transforms the way you approach your studies, making it a fulfilling and rewarding journey. But here's the key, you need to take action. It's not enough to know about the viral study technique, you have to implement it. The difference between dreaming about success and achieving it is the action you take today. Imagine the satisfaction of acing that next exam, of seeing your hard work reflected in your grades. So, here's your call to action, embrace the viral study technique. Make your study sessions dynamic, engaging, and effective. Be proactive in your learning journey, and watch as your academic life transforms. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step, and that step is the decision to implement this powerful technique. I believe in your potential, and I know you have what it takes. The viral study technique is your secret weapon. Now go out there and conquer your academic goals. Your success story is waiting to be written, and it starts with the intentional, focused, and dynamic study sessions you're about to embark on. You've got this.